Hey, what's going on, guys? All right, so we're here today with my Wyze watch. This is the 47mm variant. This one is $25 and some change. Plus tax, it's about $27. For $27, it is phenomenal what they give you, honestly. 9 days of battery life, you have about 5 different sensors. You have, you can change the face of it itself. They give you a lot for $27. So let's go ahead and go over this, and I give you the pluses and the minuses of this watch. All right, so in the plus category, I would say that the watch build, let's go with that, is great. It is an aluminum body with a 1.75mm screen. It's a very nice little screen. The contrast is a little too low, so it does give you kind of a cloudy look to it. But overall, yeah, it's great. It's not an iPhone watch, it's not an Apple watch, it's not a Samsung watch, but who cares? It's only $25. I mean, come on, $25. What do you can't expect the world for it. So, but you get a lot. So for build quality, very, very nice. It comes with a silicone watch band. I actually do like this band. It is quite flexible. I've used it playing tennis. I've used it for my day-to-day activities, and it was great. They come in different colors. I ordered the basic $25 one. You get black. I believe they have blue and yellow and green. But on the website, you just select the extra watch bands. I believe it's something like $6 for another watch band, but double check that to make sure. On the back side is where you have your sensor, I guess you want to say, sensors. Okay, you have 5 sensors on this. You have your heartbeat sensor. You're going to have your step count sensor. You're going to have an oxygen sensor. And then you're going to have a, what's the other one? Help me, guys. I can't think. I've kind of gone blank. Heartbeat, oxygen, step sensor. Sleep sensor. That's it. Sleep sensor. Sorry. Sometimes I forget these things. Anyways, and those are the ones you have on here. So overall, everything works great. I've used them. Okay, you know, they're all right. I'll show you in a second. We'll get a little close up, but they work great. Again, $25. I have to keep bringing that up because some people complain about this watch, and honestly, you can't. It's $25. I mean, come on. It gives you the time, and it gives you all these sensors. It's very good, and it has notifications. So what else you need? Honestly, Wyze is giving you a watch that's like, okay, I'm going to cover the basis. The basic stuff you need, we have it here. Out the door, $25. Thank you, Wyze. You did a nice job. I do like this watch. I do wear it every day. I've been wearing it for about 2 weeks. I really like it. So, you know, will it replace a more expensive watch? No, but it's fun on a day-to-day basis. I do enjoy it, or am enjoying it. All right. It's great as a gift. It's great as a gift to yourself. You can purchase it as a 3rd or 4th watch. It's just nice to have, and it's quite durable since it is an aluminum frame, and the screen is also waterproof, so you can keep it, take it in the shower, go swimming with it, whatever you like. It's quite a durable little watch that if it does break, you're not worried about it. It's only 25 bucks. Wyze did a nice job. I definitely am glad they put it out. As soon as I saw the 47mm, I jumped on it real quick. But anyways, let's get a little closer into it so you can see some of these features. But before we go there, please subscribe. This is the first time here, thank you. Second time, third time here, thank you again for coming back. I'm having fun making these videos. I don't get anything out of it. Wyze is not a sponsor or anything. I just like to show you what things that maybe of interest, or maybe something that you need a little more information on. All right, so let's get a little close up to the Wyze watch. Hey, what's going on, guys? All right, so here I am with a Wyze watch. Now, let's look at the watch real quick so you get a close up of it. As you know, it's an aluminum build. It's a very nice watch. I like the look of it, the weight of it, the size is a 47. It feels really nice. It's very smooth. Well, it reminds me of a pebble. got the quick 22mm releases for the watch band. Silicone is quite nice and flexible. We have one button. There are no speakers on this watch. There's your connector. Now this connector is proprietary, so as you know, it's magnetic and it can only go on one way. And that's it. You charge it up, plug it in. Since the battery life is so good, you won't be charging very often. So the watch itself is quite easy. You only have 4 basic commands. You can swipe up. Swipe up brings you to your I guess you want to say your battery display, your brightness. You can change the brightness to it. This is your Do Not Disturb button. And this rings your phone in case you can't find it. That's it. Very nice. So it's going to swipe down. Swipe down. This is where your notifications would be. I just cleared it, so we don't have any right now. Swipe to the right. This is where your data would be. If you had, if I'd been wiring it, I'd be counting my step counts and everything. But I'm currently wearing my Citizens, and I just love the automatic sweeping of this dial. So I wear this mainly. But for the 2 weeks I've been wearing this, and I really have enjoyed it. I'll continue to wear it, just not all the time. It's ironic to me. It's like this is a digital. They should have made this sweeping, just like this. That's just silliness of design. Anyway, so let's see. If you swipe to the right, you get swipe to the left. You get all your applications. And in the applications, you have your O2 sensor. You have your this is your step counter. This is the action counter. So you push this, then you start doing your sports, and you track a lot of your activity during that activity, your heartbeat, your calculation, your pace, your miles, if you're going to do for a jog or a run. It's very nice. So we're going to end it. There's your heartbeat. It's not going to give me a heartbeat sensor. There's your sleep counter. This is your alarm clock. This is a timer. The timer is a little strange because once you set it, you can't get out of this setting. It's stuck in the timer. It's a dedicated timer, so no matter what you do, it's there. You have to cancel it if you decide to want to check the time. It's kind of strange. I hope they do fix that. These are your shortcuts. Shortcuts are connected to your Wyze app. So in the Wyze app itself, you create shortcuts to your other devices that you may have in your house. And with that, I have these connected to my air conditioning, so I can turn them on or off. Well, it's how I set it up in the shortcut itself. So you'd create a shortcut, and then you would set it up for what that shortcut's going to do. One downside that I've found is the shortcuts. I set this for turning the system on and off, but I don't know the current state of it. Is it currently on? Then I just shut it off. I don't know. I hope they do fix that they do keep it. I also do see, if you notice that the screen turns off very quickly, I wish there's a setting to give me a little more time, but there isn't. It is what it is. That's all the time you get. It doesn't allow you to do anything else. But this is it. It's a great watch for $25 and some change, a little tax. I recommend it. It's a fun watch to have because you're not really worried about it. You can throw it on, do whatever you want, and it'll keep track of most of your stuff, most of the features that you want, your heart rate, your steps, and it didn't cost you anything. And so even if you do damage it or lose it, not a big deal. Can't beat it. I would pick them up before the prices go up because I believe prices will start to go up. They already sent one notification. I think it was at 20, and then now it's at 25, and I'm sure there'll be a $30 soon. But there's your Wyze watch. It's a nice little watch. All right, guys, I gotta go. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. If you have any questions about the watch, just let me know, and I will respond as quickly as I can. Okay. See you in the next one. Bye.